In the early days of railroading, steam was the main motive power used. The Rhaetian Railway was no exception in this regard. Initially small G3-4 moguls, followed by mallets, and later G4-5 tender engines could be found. Early in its history, as coal was getting expensive and hard to get, the Rhaetian Railway was forced to search for alternative energy sources. Thanks to future-minded decisions, the new and untested energy source of single-phase AC current of 16 2/3 Hz was chosen. With this, the RhB required suitable electro locomotives for its electrified lines. The most famous of these early engines are without a doubt the G661, nicknamed Crocodile. So it seems appropriate to start this film with this legendary engine. In total, the Rhaetian Railway purchased 15 of these 6-axle CC locomotives. They were built between 1921 and 1929 and carried the numbers 401 to 415. Over the years, the engines received various distinctive modifications. This works photo, taken in July of 1921, shows engine number 402. Initially, all engines had pantographs with a single slider that required both pantographs to be in contact with the overhead wires at all times.